And now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, temperatures right now, we were down to 21, our low this morning just after midnight. And ever since then, we've been rising those temperatures up due to very strong southerly winds. And you can feel it when you get outside. Right now, we're in the mid-30s after some very cold mornings over the last few days. We're finally above freezing, 35 Flora, 37 in Lafayette. Sustained wind. This is a constant wind, 29 miles per hour in Frankfort, 20 miles per hour up in Winnemac, 24 Rensselaer, 16 miles per hour, Fowler, Lafayette, 26 in Kokomo, 24 Peru, and wind gusts upwards to 36 to pushing 40 miles per hour in spots. So very windy out there, but notice it's that southwest wind, and that's going to affect the wind chill. It's going to bring it down a little bit to the mid-20s, so feeling about 10 degrees cooler than the actual air temperature. It feels like 22 Logansport, feels like 28 Lafayette, so still bundle up if you're going to be heading outside anytime soon. But here's kind of the national map. Low pressure, the main area of low, kind of our next weather maker, well up into portions of Canada, but two cold fronts will be passing through. The second one being the one that will bring in more of the precipitation that we'll see this evening, and also the very cold air. This first one going to be passing through here shortly. It will give us maybe a little bit of drizzle, some cloud cover, may have a little snowflake or two flying by. No worries with this. This will jet out of here. We'll get to Futurecast and you'll see we'll have maybe some peaks of sun over the next couple of hours. We'll cloud back up before that next front comes in. This is 6 o'clock this evening. Notice a line of a little bit of a mix of rain and snow, maybe a little bit of a freezing rain since objects outside have been below freezing for the last several days. This will work into our viewing area. This is 7:30. It'll be a quick burst of snow, and visibilities could drop very easily, so drive cautiously and make sure to pay attention to changing road conditions and obviously weather conditions as this will pass through. And we could see a few little snow bands here and there that could be pretty intense at times and could put down maybe a quick couple tenths of snow, maybe upwards to about a ½ an inch in some of the locally heavier spots. Once we get past about 4 o'clock, we'll start to clear things out. It's going to be a very cold morning tomorrow. Temperatures tank tonight once that second cold front moves through. Some lake effect clouds and snow to our northeast. Rochester, Denver, Mexico, Peru may see a little bit of cloud cover for tomorrow, even out toward Winnemac. This is 5 o'clock for your Thursday, but it still gets pretty cold Friday morning. Here's the future feel-like temperatures. Wind chill temperatures in the below zero. -3 it'll feel like tomorrow morning in Lafayette at 8 o'clock. Very cold air tomorrow, even going into Friday, single-digit wind chill temperatures. But we warm right back up to the weekend, looking like near average and then above average temperatures. So for the rest of the afternoon, just be aware by about 5, 6 o'clock, we'll start to see that line of snow and maybe a little bit of a mixture move into our northwestern counties. And then by about 8, 9 o'clock, if you are going to be out traveling, be aware those snow showers will be coming in, lowering that visibility. And then by tomorrow morning, things will clear out. We'll still have some clouds around early. -4 feels like very cold, windy still. And we'll have more sun in the afternoon. And to mention kind of more about today, we are underneath a wind advisory for 45+ miles per hour winds. Now after about 6 p.m., that's when it's in effect for, up until 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. Very windy tonight. If you have any decorations outside, make sure to tie them down or bring them inside if you can. Windy tomorrow, 24, big difference, 29 for that Friday high, and then back to normal here Saturday, 42, then above normal. Sunday, the weekend looks fairly dry, but once we get to Sunday night into Monday, we will have those showers move in. Better chance of rain, maybe some isolated rain chances Tuesday, and then we'll dry out for the rest of next week with highs only in the 30s.